Miss, you are on mute.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Bhavya, have you gone through the lesson number 23?
Miss.
Is there any doubt?
No, Miss.
Okay. So your semester portions are over. I have taught it here. So if you have any doubt regarding that 3 chapters, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So today we'll discuss lesson number 18, environment and us. Okay. So have you seen forest? Have you visited any forest? Yes, Ali Hassan.
Yes, teacher.
Which forest?
टीचर फिर से बोला ना, आपकी आवाज अटक रही है.
Have you seen any forest?
No, teacher.
No. Bhavya, have you visited any forest or have you seen any forest? Bhavya, are you there? Okay. So, see. What is how forest helps us, or how forest helps our environment?
The forest helps us to give oxygen.
Yes.
And the forest also gives medicines, woods.
Yes, yes. So this forest, they provide, we know trees, they during the preparation of food, they release oxygen. Okay. So this oxygen we inhale. So trees plays an important role in providing oxygen. Not only that, they are the habitat for so many living things like birds, monkey. So like in this way, forests are very, very important. Now imagine that if you clear the forest, what will happen? The number of living things will increase or decrease. If you cut the forest,
the population of the world is decreasing because there were no oxygen and there were no medicines.
Yes, so the number of living things will decrease because they don't have habitat. They don't have home. Where they will build home if trees are not there? Okay, so if we cut the forest, it will affect our environment. Okay, it will affect our environment. So in this chapter, we'll discuss what are the environmental issues. Okay, which are the environmental issues? So the first issue is deforestation. So what is deforestation? What is deforestation?
When the tree were cutting and the forest were clearing, is called deforestation because the population of the world is most increasing and they were not.
Yes, very good. Deforestation means cutting off trees. So as we discussed, we know that this deforestation will cause very harmful effect on our environment. Then why human beings are doing deforestation? Why they are cutting the trees?
Because we have not a place to live the people.
Yes.
There is no place to live people.
Yes, because we know that in India, day by day, population is increasing. Population means
Men.
Number of people. Okay, so day by day, population of India is increasing. So all the people need place to live. Not only to live, they need place for to make industries, factories. So for all this purpose, what humans are doing, they are cutting the trees. Okay, so for meet all the requirements of the individual, man, what they do, they cut the tree. So deforestation क्यों कर रहा है? Human beings का benefit के लिए कर रहा है, लेकिन actually they are getting benefit from this.
No, teacher. The oxygen is not there.
Yes, they are unknowingly, they are putting their life in risk, isn't it? बिना जाने वो लोग खुद का लाइफ रिस्क में डाल रहा है, बराबर? Am I correct?
Yes.
So the first issue is environmental issue is deforestation. Now next is pollution. So I think in water chapter named water, we have discussed about pollution. We have discussed about water pollution. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes. So what
water
is
pollution
pollution?
होता है तो फिर water center लेके जाते हैं.
Water
pollution means when the people throw garbages in the water, and the plastic bottles in the water, they will not dissolve, and the water is so muddy.
Yes.
And
so
the water is also in chemical.
Yes, very good. So are humans polluting only water? Are they causing only water pollution? Sirf water hi pollute?
Air pollution.
Air pollution also. Then
we use petrols.
Noise
diesel.
pollution. Yes, very good. So all this
pollution.
Yes, all this pollution it causes harmful effect on environment. Okay, so water pollution, we know that when the industries, factories, what they will do, they will drain the waste particles from the factories to the water bodies. Okay, and air pollution, we know that nowadays everyone have their own vehicle. Okay, so from this vehicle, what is emitting? What is emitting? सबके पास गाड़ी है, तो ये गाड़ी से क्या आ रहा है?
Air pollution.
Yes, this vehicle releases the pollutants which causes air pollution. तो ये air pollution से किसको नुकसान हो रहा है?
Living things and animals.
Yes, so air pollution.
Because the oxygen is flowing and the air pollution is increasing.
Yes, because in the air, the number of or the level of poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide, it's increasing. So it will cause or it will it will affect our lungs, our respiratory system. So by polluting all these things, the living beings are affected. The environment is getting affected. See, do you remember we learned about food chain, food web? Do you remember?
Yes.
Food chain याद है क्या था food chain?
जैसे अगर one animal नहीं जिंदा रहेगा तो जो others animal है वो भी die हो जाएंगे.
हाँ, means one animal is food of another animal. Okay, so there is a link between all these animals. It is in a form of chain. Okay, that is food chain. Okay, so just now we discussed about deforestation. तो deforestation जब हम लोग पेड़ काटते तो the animal, the bird which depends on these trees, can they live?
No, teacher.
No. तो वो लोग बाद में धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाता है? Have you heard about dinosaurs? अभी आपको डायनासोर दिखेगा वर्ल्ड में?
No, teacher. There is no one dinosaur.
Yes. So like that, जब environment disturb हो जाता है, ये living beings का survival भी it becomes difficult. So as a result, they will extinct. Extinct मतलब they will disappear. ये world से they will disappear because they are not getting proper environment for the survival. Okay, आपने देखा है क्या? Polar bear. Polar bear, they need snow region. Do you know a polar bear? Have you seen polar bear?
No, teacher.
Polar bear नहीं देखे?
टीचर टीवी में देखे.
टीवी में, हाँ ऐसे. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग डायरेक्टली. टीवी में देखा रहेगा. तो दे नीड स्नो रीजन. उनको आइसी जगह चाहिए. ओके, स्नो रीजन चाहिए. लेकिन nowadays we know that the temperature is very high. आजकल टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा है. तो ये आर्टिक रीजन में क्या हो जाएगा जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा?
टीचर पोलर बेयर डाई हो जाएगा और बर्फ पिघल जाएगी.
यस यस.
वाटर ऊपर आने लग जाएगा.
यस.
और
सो आइस
वाटर से भर जाएगा.
यस. सो आइस विल मेल्ट. आइस क्या हो जाएगा? आइस विल मेल्ट. आइस मेल्ट हो जाएगा. ओके. सो तो उसके वजह से किसका लाइफ इफेक्ट होएगा?
लिविंग थिंग्स लाइक एनिमल्स.
यस, लिविंग एनिमल, लिविंग thing like polar bear. Okay, so because of this deforestation, pollution, the environment is affecting this environmental issues. They are causing problem for the survival of living organisms. Okay, अभी देखो फूड चेन में कौन सा भी एक एनिमल एक्सटिंक्ट हो गया. एक्सटिंक्ट मतलब डिसअपियर हो गया. So the food chain will remain.
No, teacher. The all animals will die.
Yes, all animals will die. So like this what environmental issues, the issues such as deforestation, pollution, it will cause serious problem in environment. So what we should do? तो हम क्या करना चाहिए?
We should not use cars and bikes because they cause pollution and the living things will die.
Yes. So see, listen. In this world there are many types of living organisms. Okay, but the basic need of all the living things are same. What are the basic needs of all the people? सब people को क्या चाहिए? Basic needs क्या है?
Food, air, clothes.
Yes,
water.
Food, water and clothes are the needs of all people. Okay, so if the basic need is not getting properly, what happen?
The population will die. The man will die.
Yes. So what we should do? We should protect our environment. Okay, we should protect our environment. Not only how we can protect our environment?
We not use the petrol and diesel because they cause pollution.
Okay, so now I will show you one video. Okay, video of walrus. Walrus सुना है आपने?
Yes, teacher. They were animals.
Yes, walrus
they were one type animal. They were like a fish.
हाँ, okay. So walrus, they are Arctic, the animal which lives on Arctic. So we know that
so
आजकल
live in water.
हाँ, तो
they live in water.
यस, तो आजकल क्या हो रहा है, उसका नंबर डिक्रीज हो रहा है बिकॉज वी नो दैट टेम्परेचर इज इंक्रीजिंग. बराबर. वर्ल्ड अर्थ का टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पोल्यूशन एंड ऑल, एंड लेस नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज. क्या हो रहा है, टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है. सो हाउ दिस environmental issues affected this walrus, just we will watch through a video. Okay, so one second, let me share it. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher. Eagle दिख रहा है. Not deer, deer.
Deer दिख रहा है. Okay, one second. One second. I will share it once again. Okay, now what can you see on my screen?
Teacher, walrus.
Huh? Walrus. Okay. So these are walrus. Okay, ये walrus है. So they lives in water.
Teacher, they have many teeth. They will have long teeth in their mouth.
हाँ, yes. तो देखो, अभी सब वॉलरस एक साथ है क्योंकि दे डोंट हैव इनफ प्लेस टू लिव. ओके, ये टेम्परेचर के वजह से पानी सब इवोपरेट हो रहा है. ओके, तो जगह उतना ही कम है, तो वो जगह कम होने की वजह से सी हाउ दे आर डाइंग. Understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, how you feel? How do you feel after seeing this, watching this video?
They were sad and they were so big.
Very sad. And you don't feel shame on humans. ये सब किसके वजह से हो रहा है?
Human beings.
Yes, human being के वजह से हो रहा है. Okay, so now we'll discuss about, see, there are global, means worldwide efforts are taken. Okay, worldwide efforts are taken to protect our biodiversity. So biodiversity, we have discussed this term. What is biodiversity?
Teacher, the animals and the sky is called biodiversity.
The animals
and the sky is called biodiversity.
Is it so? See, bio means what?
Animals.
Only animals. Bio means living organisms. Okay.
Yes,
Diversity
living
means
organisms.
diversity means biodiversity means diversity in language, diversity in religion means what? Diversity means variety. Okay, different types. So biodiversity means variety in living organism.
Variety in
Living organism.
and human.
Okay. Yes. So globally, efforts are taken to protect our biodiversity. Okay. तो वो क्या क्या efforts है? We will discuss about it. So first is biodiversity park. Biodiversity parks. So biodiversity park means, see, biodiversity means एक area में जितना भी living organism है, different living organism है, that is biodiversity. Okay, so biodiversity park means an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting the biodiversity of region. एक जगह पे जितना भी biodiversity है, वो एनिमल्स मीन्स वो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है. कौन? बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क. सो जब हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, अदर्स विल नॉट कम एंड डिस्टर्ब द एनिमल्स एज वेल एज प्लांट्स. ओके, वो बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क में सिर्फ एनिमल्स ही नहीं रहेगा, प्लांट्स भी रहेंगे. ओके,
Humans भी ना?
हाँ,
Humans.
ह्यूमन.
Yes, teacher.
ह्यूमन को क्यों प्रोटेक्ट करने का? ह्यूमन तो ये सब डैमेज कर रहा है. That why we want to protect humans? They will protect themselves. Okay, we need to protect these plants and animals. Okay, तो पहला effort to maintain biodiversity is biodiversity park. You just write down it in your notebook. Is it visible? Can you see it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will increase the font. Okay, so biodiversity parks means an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of region. एक region में जितना भी living beings है उनको protect करना. That is the aim of biodiversity parks. Once it is over, raise your hand.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of region. An area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and conserving the biodiversity of region. So as it is shown in this image, this area will be protected. Okay, this full area will be protected. Okay. Bhavya, are you there? Can you text me? So biodiversity parks, an area which is reserved for the purpose of protecting and
So finished.
Finished? Okay. Now we'll discuss about national park. Have you visited any national park?
No, teacher.
Where? Okay. You're from Navi Mumbai.
No, teacher.
Then
In Gandhi, Denar Colony. Mumbai, Denar Colony. Gandhi.
where? Where do you stay?
In Gandhi. Mumbai.
Mumbai. B1D.
Oh. Gandhi.
Okay. Okay. So, national park means area which are important for the protection and conservation of wildlife. तो नेशनल पार्क में क्या होता है? वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके, सी द डिफरेंस. बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क में किसको प्रोटेक्ट करता है? बायोडाइवर्सिटी को. जो एक रीजन में बायोडाइवर्सिटी है उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है.
लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स.
ओके. एंड नेशनल पार्क में वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके. नेशनल पार्क एरियाज विच आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ. तो उधर आपको सिर्फ वाइल्ड लाइफ पे देखने को मिलेगा. ओके. एग्जाम्पल इज काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, तडोबा नेशनल पार्क. ओके. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क एंड तडोबा नेशनल पार्क. नाउ राइट दिस areas. First write the heading national park. First write the heading national park. And then write areas which are important this areas which are important for the protection. Is it visible? Can you read it?
Areas which are important for protection and
Conservation.
of wildlife.
Conservation. It is not conversation. Conservation. Yeah, conservation of
wildlife. Example,
wildlife.
Kaziranga National Park.
Kaziranga National Park. Yes, Tadoba National Park. Okay. So once you have returned,
finished.
Okay. Now, next we'll discuss about sanctuaries. So sanctuary means areas reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Okay. For example, Radhanagari Sanctuary. So in Radhanagari Sanctuary, they will protect the bisons. Okay. So area which are reserved for the protection of a particular animal. Okay. एक particular animal के लिए animal को protect करता है, वो area को क्या बोलता है? Sanctuaries. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So write it. The area reserved for the protection and conservation. Yes.
टीचर बड़ा करो ना वर्ड्स को.
Yes. Areas reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Areas reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Example, Radhanagari Sanctuary for bisons. So there are bird sanctuaries. So bird sanctuary matlab they will only protect the birds. Okay, sanctuaries means areas reserved for the protection and conservation of a particular animal or plant. Okay, so I will give some more examples for the sanctuaries. Okay, see, in Sahara district, have you heard Sahara district? Maharashtra का एक district. Sahara.
Desert.
Satara district.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so flamingos, they are a particular type of birds. So
they walk in the water.
Yes, so if flamingos ऐसे what to say in a particular season में ये flamingos they will migrate from Siberia. एक northern Asia region है, उधर से साइबेरिया से ये सातारा का जो मयनी लेक है उधर माइग्रेट होता है. माइग्रेशन मतलब क्या? What do you mean by migration?
Move to the other place. One place, yes. Move to the other place.
Yes, very good. Movement of anything from one place to another place. Okay, तो ये सातारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक लेक है मयनी लेक, तो इधर फ्लैमिंगोस साइबेरिया से माइग्रेट होता है. Why they migrate? Why do they migrate from Siberia to this Satara district? Any idea?
Teacher, because the season changes.
Yes. So
And
yes. So why they migrate? Because they come here to lay eggs. Okay, for producing their young ones. क्योंकि इधर का climate it is appropriate for the production of the young ones. Okay, so for that reason they migrate from Siberia to Maini Lake, which is in Satara district. Okay, so what they do here, they build nest and lay eggs. Okay, तो एक बार वो baby grow हो जाएगा, they will return back to Siberia. Okay, but आजकल क्या हो रहा है? Because of this environmental issues, ये जो माइनी लेक का पानी है वो कम हो रहा है. So the flamingos had stopped coming. Okay, and this lake, it is declared as sanctuary for birds. Okay, वो lake अभी sanctuary बन गया. Sanctuary मतलब protection of a particular animal or bird. Okay, so sometimes in question you can see such type of question. Why flamingos migrate from Siberia to Maini Lake? So what is the answer? Why they migrate? They migrate
because they are Asian children.
Yeah, so you will write they migrate here to Satara district, to Maini Lake to build the nest and to lay eggs. Okay, and once the baby birds grow, they will return to Siberia. Okay, now another one is Maldok. Maldok. So there is another sanctuary in India. In Solapur district. Solapur district में एक sanctuary है, Maini Bird Sanctuary. Okay, Great Indian Bustard Sanctuary. See, I will show you the picture. Can you see the image?
Yes, teacher.
कौन सा image दिख रहा है?
A bird.
Okay, so
a bird and a gate.
Yes, yes.
The
so
gate.
this is a sanctuary which is present in Solapur district. Solapur district का एक sanctuary है. तो इधर कौन सा bird को protect कर रहा है? Great Indian Bustard. Great Indian Bustard या Maldok. ये जो picture में जो bird है वो है Maldok और उसको otherwise it is known as Great Indian Bustard. Okay, तो ये birds का क्या peculiarity है, क्या importance है? They have huge weight. Okay, ये birds को bird का weight ज्यादा है. Okay, so what human will use them for meat. Okay, meat के लिए use करते because ये birds का weight ज्यादा है. So to protect them, to protect these birds from human, there is a sanctuary called what? Sanctuary in Solapur district to protect these birds. Birds called Maldok. Maldok, otherwise Great Indian Bustard. Okay.